Yeah, everybody. I'm glad to talk about a voice, a silent emotion. I'm a very close friend of yours. Maybe you didn't identify that, but I live in your every emotion. We are closely related. I heal your pain. I live in your happiness. I live in your every emotion. You don't need to call me or seek for my help, because I involuntarily lives within you. I'm a chemical reaction, but I live in your every emotion. I'm a taste bit salty, but I live in every taste of your life. I want to shout. I want to console you. I want to whisper. I was filled with many doubts, but I cannot speak because I am dumb enough to speak. But I sound in every moment of your life. But I stays in every sound of your life because I will be the final reason which makes you feel strong from all the burdens, which makes you free from all the emotions, from all the burdens, and gives you a strong mindedness. And I live with you forever and ever.